Hey everyone, welcome back to the another lecture of DSA using C++ series. So this is a lecture number 12 and today we are going to dive into a linked list. Okay, I will write it here, that is linked list. Okay, you might have heard the term, but in this video I will explain what is it, how it's work and where you can use it in the real life. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Okay, so a linked list is a linear data structure like an array. Okay, but instead of storing element in consecutive memory location, each element is connected to the next one using a pointer. Okay, it's like think of it as a chain of node where each node has a two part, the data and the reference to the next node, that is data, and the it's a next node. Okay, I will write it as a next node and this is the setup, something like that. Okay, so the types of these, so mainly there are three types of linked list. The first one is singly linked list, then doubly linked list and circular linked list. Singly linked list means each node point to the next. That is, if we are drawing like this, I will write it here like that. Okay, so this is a data and this is a next. Again data, next. Again data, next node. So this next is connected to this and this is connected to again, and like this it's doing it. Okay, this is mean by the singly linked list. The next one is that is doubly. It's basically each node point to both the next and the previous node. It means it has three sections, that is first one is the previous and data and then next. Okay, like that. Okay, previous, data and next. So the point is this node is connected to this address and this is also connected to this one, like that, and it's continuously simultaneously happening like that. Okay, and about the circular linked list mean the last node point back to the first node, that is this node is pointed back to the first node, like that. Okay, this is mean by the circular linked list. Okay, so let me show you one example, that is imagine you are storing a list of your friends. Instead of an array where each friend has a fixed position, a linked list allow each friend to link to the next one. When you want to add a new friend, you just adjust the pointer to link them in a list. Okay. The next, that is we are taking a real world example of linked list, that is think of a music playlist. Each song, like a real world example, I will write it here. Real world example, like music playlist. Okay, like each song is like a node in the linked list. Okay, and you can move from one song to the next, and the list know which song come after. If you want to add a new song, you can do it easily without shifting everything around, just by linked list it to the right spot. Okay, the next question is why use linked list. That is, linked lists are great when you need to frequently add or remove the element that include in the linked list. Unlike array, they don't require shifting item when you delete or insert, so they useful in situation like memory management, like I will write it here, memory management, then file system, and even in the algorithm like queue, or we can say stack. Okay, so that's a quick overview of linked list. Hope you found it helpful. If you did not like, share or subscribe to this YouTube channel, so please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to cover the more data structure. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.